So we want to make eco-friendly refilling accessible po sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. We also want to help reduce, of course, the country's dependence on single-use plastics. Ito po yung mga plastic bottles o sachets na binibili po natin na pagkatapos po natin makonsumo ang mga produkto ay pinatapo natin. Because we want to create an alternative that is not just sustainable, but also affordable and practical. So ano na po ba ang naging impact ng Sabon Express? We started this advocacy and business concept in 2022. We actually made cleaning solutions affordable for every household. Imagine refill prices as low as 5 pesos to 20 pesos, giving families up to 70% savings. Mamaya po may explain po namin itong 5 to 20 pesos. We also shifted habits one bottle at a time. Dahil po naturuan po natin yung ating mga consumers na pwede naman pala nilang gamitin ng paulit-ulit ang kanilang plastic at hindi nila tinatapon lang at nagiging basura sa ating kapaligiran.